Be all set, ready to go. Kyle's on his way. He's gonna rip off the carpet off the E30 today. We'll see once we get that shit off. Just that thing's like covered in dirt, everything like rat poop and shit. So we gotta clean that. We're not looking forward to it, but gotta do what we gotta do to save the OEM interior. And the carpet is pretty much one of those that we can, save. Surprisingly, the door can open nice and easily. The other door hinges on the other side we have, so we just gotta put those together. This seat's not screwed in, so we'll just pull that out. The other one, somehow, I think it's welded on, or what, I don't know. Kyle said there's no bolts on it. You guys probably know what he's talking about for the E30s. And again, this is a 1991, but we'll sort all that out once he comes in, once Kyle gets here. But yeah, we'll show you that carpet. So as I was just talking about, I don't know. I mean, I guess it is worth saving. I mean, it just needs a deep scrubbing. It needs a deep clean. We'll see what happens. Woo! Stinky in there. Huh? Stinky in there. Now let's see, it's giving us a little bit of a headache getting it off. We're just gonna go ahead and cut it.
I meant we're good.
All right, good.
Don't get a bike kit.
Dude, this old guy from Norwood selling his bike, he bought it in 2009. And he hasn't ridden it for 3 years, and it's never fell. It's been in his garage for 3 years, and it just needs a battery and oil change. It looks bad.
Fucking BMW, dude.
Hell yeah.
Oh, it's a stud.
Yeah, the bolt's right there. It's still in the socket. Don't worry.
Yeah, fuck it.
It'll come out now.
Why won't it come out?
I don't know. Like, almost there.
Okay.
Yep, we're good.
Oh, I got tetanus?
It's out.
Tetanus shots okay?
Nope. Alright, let's see if we can now pull it back now somehow. I'm gonna tap or tap. Tap, 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 tap.
Look at the vacuum.
He still doesn't want to go back, dude.
I thought my car was bad.
We're getting there. Just a little bit more, we can see the bowl, right?
Yep, almost there.
Want to lift that up while I hit it? This thing? As far as it's gonna go, right?
I think so. This is it right here? Yeah. Fuck! It's right there. Still a little plastic lid. There you go.
Whole new goddamn gas pedal at this point. Well, not really, but.
Nah, we'll figure that out. That ain't a problem.
What you mean? It's custom fab.
Yeah, you got
Custom little bracket.
Oh well.
with some custom pins. Slap it there.
anyways.
We need to,
Should we start ripping from the rear or the front?
try to figure it out.
Ripping the carpet out.
Probably from the front, back.
Front to back?
Because the front's the harder part, you feel me?
Anything in there shouldn't vacuum. Anything
I don't
in there
think
should
so.
not vacuum.
Alright, so send it off.
Send it.
Stack it all up, yeah. Everything.
Do it. Oh shit, look at that. Finally getting Wi-Fi installed. Wi-Fi will be all set sooner or later. After that, we're gonna try and finish and pulling this out when
Like,
if
all
we
this
can
stuff
today.
is
If not, we'll take a break from it and we're gonna go back to Kyle's house and work on the rear subframe. Just
Like,
by
I
taking
think
out the bushings, so that'll be
guess
fun.
I'm gonna take
But
these
yeah,
out.
it's just
I don't wanna crack
let's
the
just take a
dash
look at
anymore
what's
than
going
it
on.
These aren't even in.
So I believe we're just trying to figure out how to take out the stupid dash.
To fix the dash, we can flock it so it doesn't look like there's any cracks.
God damn. We're almost there. There we go. We got one side off. Oof.
We're broke.
Some wires.
Wires.
I'm not worried about the wires.
So we're good. We don't need speakers where we're going. We like to hear the cars and the tires.
Right?
Nah, I mean, I can always wire speakers into, bro. I'm not worried.
We can do it.
Nice.
There we go.
See what we're on.
Almost got it. What?
That was good.
Damn, this is cool. I didn't break. It just went on. Just. No, it didn't break. I swear to God, it didn't. Look, it just slipped off.
It just came off. He says,
Of course, it's okay.
Just like that, and that's where we put our gauge.
"Yeah, exactly."
You don't need to hear where you're going.
Yeah.
I know. We don't
Alright,
know
I
yet.
got some plugs I gotta unplug here. But when I mean unplug, I mean
Damn,
snips,
what
that's
is
all.
that?
Speakers, I think.
Wow.
Two-way crossover.
Whoever had this car really tried to bump up the speakers.
Oh, let me see those cutters after.
I got you. There's just so much shit that's cut, bro.
For real.
Oh, you got the dash out.
Definitely didn't know what the fuck we were
Word. That was a nightmare.
For real, where's the bones at?
Right? Look at that.
Oh, Nasa's on the tripod.
The try camera.
Perfect. Perfect.
Back it all forward.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Nice scan real quick.
20K over here, I know what I got.
I know what I got. I know.
Wow.
We still don't have the fucking carpet out, dude.
Yeah, I know, but we're gonna have to take that out.
20K OBO, I know what I got.
You gotta get that out, whatever that.
That's all
the
AC
unit,
shit.
right?
Yeah, it's all AC.
Weight reduction!
Yeah.
20 pounds out real quick. Damn, they're still over there?
I don't know. I think they all left. Earlier there was some cops across the street at a dealership. I don't know. Huh?
So with the
It's all
fans and
out.
stuff is falling out. Keep whacking.
I'm sure this is worth money, but like, you have to sit on it for fucking years.
Damn, you didn't bring the real sledgehammer?
Do we have one?
I'll fucking whack the living life out of that thing. The bullets went
A lot of this shit is getting deleted. I didn't get that. You're good.
We don't need AC on the moon.
No. We're putting a different motor. I'm not gonna say it now, but you'll see.
What would you like to?
Oh my god. That's gross. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum that really quick. Damn. Oh, you can see that stuff. It's all wet under there. This rust, man. It's there too. What's this?
But I'm not seeing any.
I think that's so water can escape the one that's...
But wait, what's all this though?
That's that black, like, rubber layer.
Grab the vacuum.
It's you know what? When the fucking people do the dry ice,
Yeah.
that's the stuff to take off the dry ice.
Oh.
Sunday.
Exactly.
Damn.
Damn, that floor is fucked.
What should we do?
They're vacuuming it for now. Nah, I mean it's still there, bro. You know. Chassis still.
Let's just empty out the vacuum bowl. Yeah, as long as it doesn't like. Yeah, you're good. Nice. So, this is the only way we could do it. I mean, I know we have tools to pull it, but who cares? We've done this before, way back in the day on the Z3. Nice. Look at that. Holy fuck. That is insane. So now we just have these two, which would be easy. Oh yeah. These two are small ones, so that's
I think we can heat them up and tap them out.
Yeah. Pretty easy.
It's gonna come up now. I just want to bend it.
Alright, hey, what's up you guys? Thanks for tuning in. Just gonna like cut off from the video right there, just because I have a lot of things going on. So pretty much, I mean, at the beginning we ripped off the carpet and the dash on the E30, just like one of the teardowns, you know, demolition starting. That's the first step. And so now it's, you know, we're just working on the rear subframe on it for the E46, ripping off the old stock bushings that are completely blown. So we're just trying to get those off, and which we did already. So I can tell we did get them replaced, and so I have the new bushings. They're right here in a box with reinforcement plates all the way from Drift HQ, Florida, and the other packages from Amazon. It's something for the carpet, which, you know, I will show you guys in the next video. Sorry, I'm just filming with my iPhone at the moment. I'm clearly here just editing on my lunch break in my car. I'm able to get Wi-Fi. I'm just right over here outside my work. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna end it right here, and stay tuned for the next video. We got a lot of things to cover. Definitely gonna throw these bushings on, and you'll see that on the next video for sure. And hopefully, you know, we're gonna do some cool things. We're gonna do something cool to the carpet on the E30. We're gonna restore it to like brand new. So hopefully it comes out well, you know. So we're gonna go forward, showing you guys that as in the next video as well. So yeah, stay tuned, and yeah, see you guys later. Peace.